Hello, my dear class. My name is Muhammad Aslam. A warm welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about the resonance structure. So, by using different compounds with the help of Lewis-Dot structure. Okay. First of all, we have to define what is the meaning of resonance structure. Basically, resonance structure are a sets of Lewis structure that describe delocalization of electrons in different Lewis structure. Okay. So first of all, we have to define what is the resonance structure. Resonance structure structures are sets of Lewis structure structures that describe the delocalization of electrons. Okay, delocalization of electrons in polyatomic ion and molecule. Okay, there is a definition of resonance structure. Resonance structure are basically a sets of Lewis structure. In this, we will describe the delocalization of electrons in polyatomic and molecule. Okay. For example, there is a different kinds of resonating structure in which the different sets of Lewis structure we will describe. Okay. First of all, let's have a look. For example, ozone molecule. This is ozone. To draw Lewis-Dot structure, we have to discuss about their valence electron. In ozone molecule, there is 3 oxygen atom, and 3 oxygen atom. If one oxygen atom having how many valence electron? There is 6 valence electron for one oxygen atom, and there is a total 3 oxygen in number of atom. Hence, the total number of valence electron for ozone molecule is 18. Okay. Then, if we write the total number of valence electron is 18. 18 is the total number of valence electron for ozone molecule. In ozone molecule, there is total 3 number of 3 oxygen atom. One and each oxygen atom having 6 valence electron. So we have to draw total 18 number of electron to draw the structure of ozone molecule. In ozone molecule, there is total 3 oxygen atom, and each oxygen atom having 6 valence electron. So let's have a look how we can make the structure of Lewis-Dot structure for ozone molecule. There is different sets. There is oxygen and each having 6 valence electron. This is the electron. This is the electron for this oxygen atom, and the electron for this central atom in ozone molecule is also having how many electron? 6. Good. And the electron of this oxygen atom will also 6. This having 2 electron like this. we have used different colors or different dots of different dots of electrons for different oxygen atom. The central oxygen atom having 6 valence electron, and this oxygen atom also having 6, and this having also 6 oxygen atom. And the different sets of the sharing of the electron. By this structure, we make a diagram of this ozone molecule. Like this is the central oxygen atom, and this is the side atom, first and third. Okay. By using 2 electron, they will form double. By using the sharing of 2 electron pairs, they will form double covalent bond. And in this, they will form the coordinate bond. Okay, because this electron will share their electron pairs towards this oxygen atom, hence it will form the coordinate bonds. And in covalent bond structure, we will draw the positive charge for the central atom, that atom that share their electron pairs towards the other atom. Okay. Next, so we have denoted their electron. There is 6 electron for this oxygen atom. And this having only 2 electron. That means 1 lone pair electron. This is the structure of ozone molecule if the sharing of this type of electrons in this structure. It is not necessary the sharing of their 2 electron pairs by using central atom of this and only and this or side atom. It may be possible their electrons share to this oxygen atom, hence the other structure will also form, and we will draw the other structure for the oxygen atom in ozone molecule. Here the central oxygen atom, this is the side atom. This is having their electrons. The electron of this oxygen atom is having the 6 electrons. Okay, so let's we have draw their bond by using their different sets of electron pair. There is 3 oxygen atom also. This is a central oxygen atom, oxygen and oxygen. In this oxygen atom, they will form double covalent bond, and this having single covalent bond or covalent bond formed by the coordination bond. Okay, so this oxygen atom will having one lone pair electron, and this will having 2 lone pair electrons. Let's have a look. Here is different sets of Lewis structure in ozone molecule. For this, the structure of possible resonating Lewis structure formed like this, and for this. Okay. If you note here, there is a delocalization of exactly the electron in in different sets of ozone molecule. So we make a simple and write the resonance structure of this ozone molecule. Like this is the oxygen atom, this is this oxygen atom, and each oxygen atom having a fixed single bond. This is the single bond that is fixed. And in ozone molecule, if you note here, there is a double bond will observe for this oxygen atom. If you number for this each oxygen atom, this is the first oxygen atom, and this is the second oxygen atom, and this is the third oxygen atom. This is first oxygen atom, second and third oxygen atom. Okay. In this resonance, in this Lewis structure, the first and second oxygen having single covalent bond, and the second and third having double covalent bond. While in other figures we will see clearly, we may see clearly first and second oxygen atom having double covalent bond. On the other way, the second and third oxygen atom having single covalent bond. So we may clearly observe here exactly the delocalization of electron in different sets of Lewis structure is also known as resonance structure. So we have to draw here for resonance structure that for delocalization of electron we have to put a dashes line for pi bond or electron that delocalization. Okay, this is exactly the resonance naked. The resonance naked. Okay, this is the resonance hybrid, and both of these two structure, this and this, is known as canonical structure. This is the A, and this is the second type of structure, that is B. And both A and B is known as canonical structure. Canonical structures. If we observe here, in both of these structures there is different value of bond order. In this, the bond order for first and second oxygen having bond order is 1 because both are having single covalent bond. But in other way, for second and third having bond order is about 2 because both are oxygen atom having double covalent bond. On the other way, in second diagram or second sets of Lewis structure for ozone molecule, first and second oxygen having double covalent bond, hence the bond order value is about 2, and this having bond order is 1. And while in the resonance hybrid, the bond order is exactly about bond order for this is 1.5. Okay, 1.5. In this, if we write the bond length for this compound, for this structure, the bond length is about is 128 picometer. Here is also 128 picometer. But in this case, the first sets of ozone molecule, first and second oxygen having about the bond length is 148 picometer, and double covalent bond having 121 picometer, and it is also having 148 picometer, and this having also 121 picometer. If we discuss about the energies of both of these structure, Let consider the energy of this canonical structure is about E. E is the energy of this canonical structure. Energy of this canonical structure, if we consider, is E, and the energy of this for this resonance hybrid is E dash. E dash. E dash is the energy of resonance hybrid, and E is the energy of canonical structure. And in both of structure, the energy, the value of energy for resonance hybrid, the value of energy is also less than value of energy than canonical structure. That means we may say clearly E dash is less than E. And if the energy of the resonance hybrid is less, then the stability of resonance hybrid will be higher, because we know very clearly the stability is inversely proportional to energy. Stability is inversely proportional to energy. If the energy is minimum, then the stability will be maximum. Okay. This is the resonance structure. In this definition, we may clearly see here the resonance structure are sets of Lewis structure that describe the delocalization of electrons in polyatomic and molecule. We have example by using Lewis dot structure of different sets for ozone molecule. In this molecule, the central oxygen atom having double covalent bond to third oxygen atom and having single covalent bond for with first oxygen atom, while in other Lewis structure set, the first and second having double covalent bond and second and third oxygen atom having single covalent bond. And we also write their bond length. The bond length of first of single covalent bond having 148 picometer and 121 picometer for double covalent bond, and the 148 picometer for single covalent bond here and 121 picometer is also 121 picometer for this one. Okay, but in the resonance hybrid, the bond length is about 128 picometer and bond order is equal to 1.5. And if we consider the energy for both of different sets of both of these structure, canonical structure and resonance hybrid structure, the canonical structure having the energy is about E, and the resonance hybrid structure having the energy is about E dash. And here we note here the energy E dash is less than E, hence the stability will be higher for resonance hybrid. There is a question. Draw the different sets of Lewis structure for the following. Carbonic and nitrogen ion. There is a question. Let's do practice and draw the Lewis structure for both of the reactions A and B. Okay, let's see. I hope you all have done. Okay, let's see. This is the structure of carbonate, and in this carbonate, the carbon having double covalent bond for to this oxygen and single covalent bond to this oxygen, and also having two negative charge. This is the possible sets of Lewis structure. In this, we may see clearly there is a three different resonance hybrid, three different canonical structure of carbonate. So if we draw the resonance hybrid structure for this molecule, what will be? This is the carbon, one oxygen, and this is oxygen, and this is oxygen. Each carbon and oxygen having fixed single covalent bond, while other the delocalization of electrons that we form, that have formed pi bond. This is in this bond the delocalization of electrons, and from this to this and this to this. This is the delocalization of electron, and this is exactly we may see. We may say clearly it is the resonance structure, and so this having the resonance hybrid structure will be like this is the resonance hybrid structure. Good. So make a note and take a snapshot, and last B section do yourself. For nitrate time, write the all possible sets of this structure. Okay, thanks for watching my video. We will meet in next video. Bye.